Revitalize your ride with our environmentally friendly care products, like the BMW Alcantara Upholstery Cleaner, the BMW Veganza Leather Cleaner, and the BMW Leather Care with UV light protection. Let's start with the BMW Merino leather seats. After vacuuming, start applying the BMW Alcantara Upholstery Cleaner in a small section. Let it sit for a few seconds, and work the cleaner in with a clean microfiber towel. Complete the whole seat. Done! Got an original BMW M Performance Alcantara armrest or steering wheel? The cleaner works perfectly on here as well. Rub the cleaner in with the direction of the fibers without using much force. After a few strokes, go slowly against the fiber and keep the force low. When you're finished, use a clean microfiber towel to take off any excess cleaner. Easy job! Does your BMW have Veganza leather seats? We got you covered with a special BMW Veganza Leather Cleaner. The cleaning process is the same as with the BMW Merino leather seats. Spread the cleaner and take off the excess with a fresh microfiber towel. But wait, that's not it. Caring is at least as important as the cleaning. The BMW Leather Care works perfectly on Merino and Veganza leather seats and protects them from environmental influences. Apply it to one of the included sponges and start working it into the leather until the whole seat is covered. Now use the included towel to take off any excess conditioner. Done! Enjoy a clean ride.
I'm sure you know a lot about your BMW, but there's so much more. So hit the subscribe button, comment, like, share, and tap the notification bell to discover the full potential of your BMW. What are you waiting for?